Look at that. Ooh. Hello my loves, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be doing a video on black owned makeup brands. It's been a minute since I was last here, but your girl has been having some things that she had to take care of before I could come back. But finally I'm back, and hopefully I'll be, putting out some more consistent content. With everything that's going on in the world, I think it's important for us to use whatever platform we have to support black-owned businesses. And this, for me, is my way of doing that as a makeup artist. It's taken me long to do this. One, because honestly, it's not been easy to just get everything black-owned here in Uganda. Many of these companies don't actually have bases here. As you know, we have to rely on people who actually bring the products into the country. But the good news is I'm also incorporating brands that are African and East African into this video. So without taking too much of your time, let's just get right into the video. So I already moisturized and prepped my skin, and the first thing I'm going to be going in with is a primer from Reverecosmetics, a Ugandan-based makeup brand. So I'll be putting this all over my face. What I love about this primer is, one, a little goes a long way, and it's very smoothing. Just helps my foundation last longer and apply better. Like, I wish you guys knew how soft my skin feels after I've applied this primer. It just gives my face the perfect base for my foundation. Now, I like to do my eyes before I go in with the rest of my face. I know that's not a favorite for everyone, but it is for me. I love this Juvias Place Chocolates palette. So I usually go in with this brown shade. Now, please note that everything I'm going to be using in this video is black owned, including the tools that I'm going to be using. The brushes are from Juvias Place, and I totally love these brushes. And the beauty sponges are from Bakerie. And this is what they look like. I love them. They're soft, they're squishy, and they really help me apply my concealer, my foundation, everything. So my eyebrows definitely look like a hot mess right now, but I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 390. Okay, so that's it for now with my brows. So next I'm going to take this brush, and this is the Smudger brush, J109. But I find it to be perfect for blending those hard to reach places. I will also be taking this shade into my eyelid. Okay, so for now I like how that's looking, so I think I'm going to now go in with eyeshadow. So I will be going in with Jamila from my Saharan palette, this orange shade. And I'm going to be using the 115 blender brush. I'm going to put that as my transition shade. And then using the exact same eyeshadow palette, I'm going to go in with Senegal. Next, I'm going to go in with this precision brush and get into my crease to just give it some more definition. And what I'm going to use is this shade. It doesn't really have a name, in the Chocolates palette. It's deep brown shade. I'm going to take that same brush that I used for my transition and just go in with this brown shade. Then I'm going to take this shade to just soften the color close to my eyebrows. So next I'm going to go in with this eyeliner by Huddah. Not to be confused with H-U-D-A. It is H-U-D-D-A-H. Next, I'm going to go into my waterline with my eyeliner from Black Opal. So next, what I'm going to be doing is applying my Black Opal mascara. It is the Super Volumizing Mascara. Guys, if you have been sleeping on these brands, it's time to wake up. Look at the difference that makes. Now, if you have been following my social media, then you would know that I posted a small video showing a package that I received from Renzioni of his Renzilicious Premium Lashes, Mink Lashes, and today I'm going to be using Nansha. And they come in a very cute package. It's very easy to just, put them back once you're done using them, and then and put them on your dresser. I love my lashes. Honestly, they look much better than I thought they would. I usually go for like the simpler kind, but I love the finish. I love the look. Renzioni, thank you so much for these. So next I'm going to be applying my Juvias Place foundation, and I am in the shade Burkina, and this is what it looks like. Look at coverage, guys. For concealer, I'll still be going in with the Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 12. I've got 9 and 12 here, so yes, I'll be using the shade 12. Let's take that brush and blend her. I'm not really a fan of baking. I have a setting powder that I actually trust, and that is the Fenty Beauty setting powder, and I'm going to be using the shade Honey. I love this shade because of just how golden it looks on my skin tone. I'm going to be using this brush by Juvias Place to just place that under my eye, and the one thing I want to do is make sure that it's not creasing under my eye before I set it. Otherwise, the concealer will actually set into those creases. With my contour, and I'm going to be using my Black Opal Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation, and I'm going to be using the shade Black Walnut. my small complexion brush, still by Juvias, and then just blend that contour. To set my contour, I'm going to be going in with this black opal True Color Ultra Matte Foundation Powder in the shade Medium Deep /600. Next, I need to highlight under my eyebrows and in the inner corner of my eye. And I'm going to be using Lulu from the Saharan palette. Next thing I'm going to be doing is bronzing my face, and the bronzer that I love to use is this one by Fenty Beauty, and it is Mochamami. So if I want to add some warmth and some depth to my makeup routine without necessarily going in with a contour, I love to use this. So I just put it all over the areas that I had put my contour. Now I've got two options here that I absolutely love. I've got this one from Juvias Place, and this is the Royalty one. And then I've also got the Sunrise Glow in the shade 200 from Black Opal. Now when I want like a really soft and subtle highlight, this is what I go for. And then when I want to go all out, I go for this one, because I mean, like, this pigment is really, really rich. But the beautiful thing about it is it's easy to blend. Next, I'm going to be going into my lips, and I will be using this beautiful color by Juvias Place, and it's called Soil. Yeah, Soil. I'm also going to be lining it with this black opal lip liner in the shade Timber. Last but not least, I will be going in with my makeup setting spray from Anashe Cosmetics, which is a Kenyan makeup brand. Whew. Yeah. So guys, this is my finished look with everything black owned. And if there's some makeup that you would like me to try and give my honest opinion on, please feel free to reach me on my social media, and I will definitely do my very best to do it for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe. See you soon. Later.